Hey guys, welcome back to Rakwal. In this video, we are going to see how we can install Sophos sensors on Windows devices for the endpoint protection. So you just have to go to the My Products, then you have to click on the endpoints. Sophos does have multiple products and we will be covering it soon, probably few of them, not all of them maybe, but yeah, we will be covering multiple products specifically in this sections which is like DNS protections, protected browsers, ZTN as well. So let's move back to the videos as and just go to the endpoint and there is a options called installer. Just click on the installer, it will redirect you to the different page. So here there is an important thing which I want to tell. There are a few options like download complete Windows installer or choose component. Same goes for the MacBook, and you can also send email to the users if you are having like 5,000 users. So there is no way you can do it manually. So you can send the emails to the users and you will do the installations. Other than this XDR sensors, like the in this XDR sensor, there is no malware protection, so kind of the XDR sensor where you can collect multiple logs and it can works with another third-party EDRs as well. A deployment tool, suppose that if you have the MDM or the MDM profile, then you will be getting the MDM profile from the Sophos, so you can configure it and provide it to your any MDM like the Scale Fusions, Managers, or the Microsoft Intune or whatever you have. So in this video, we are going to see like for the choose component options as well. So there are ADR and XDR sections as a stack DR sensor or the either XDR detections and response feature as well, and device encryption and DNS and ZTNS. So I want to test all of them in future videos. So let's go with the download complete installer. Double click it, just go to the files and click yes. You have to provide your admin credentials. It may take few time, like few minutes most probably, or sometimes few seconds as well. But let's click on the install button. So what Sophos says, like they will take 10 minutes, but usually they won't take 10 minutes in this specific installation. So Sophos does not require you to give any CID or site token like the Sentinel-1 or either the CrowdStrike require. The sensor is already bind to your tenant. So once the sensor is installed on my devices, you will be able to see the sensor in the computer sections directly. So yeah, so it's installing, but I think it's downloading, but we can see our computer session is there.